Hi, welcome. My name is Lisa. You're watching One Lisa Show, and it's Sunday evening, and I wanted to give you a quick progress update and what I've been doing this week. Last week, I shared with you that I was working on a Butterick pattern, and I was working on a toile. That is Butterick 6728. If you hear a squeaky, that's Penny saying hello. I'm working on this version right here. Let me show you the line drawings. Whoop. Yes, there's the line drawings. It's hard to see. And so far, I've got both flutter sleeves on. I've got the skirt attached. And I have the zipper installed. I do need practice with invisible zips. This is an invisible zip that you can clearly see is visible. I've also got this tiny little bulge here. I don't know if it's from the fabric, from the zipper, how I sewed it, because I had to do a lot of unpicking. Can you tell? It's a visible zip that is marketed as an invisible zip. I need practice with my zips. That's all this tells me. And honestly, I really like how I put on a visible zip. So I think I should just stick with that. You know, this is pretty clean and it looks good, just visible. The bulge, I wonder if it's because this fabric is so thin and maybe I stretched it. There was a lot of unpicking because I accidentally ran over the zipper, like where the little feet all touch each other. I ran that over, so then I had to unpick it, and I thought I was going to lose the zipper, but it's not bad. It fits well. I would like to wear this week. I have already tacked the facing down around the neck. I was going to go in, since this is a muslin, I did not do really any pretty finishes on my seams. I'm somewhat regretting that now, but at the same time, it's going to be okay. My serger that I got from Granny's sewing room, my serger needs a little love. So I think I'm going to have to take it in to get serviced. I am going to clean it this week. I'm going to rethread it and see how that's going. I'm having a problem with one of my threads. One of the loopers is not working. It doesn't look good. It's like loose and there's a lot of extra thread. So I'm hoping it'll easily be fixed with just a cleaning. And then if I had to take it in to get serviced, that's what I'm going to do. It's a great machine and it's not broken. I just have a feeling it probably needs an adjustment that I haven't figured out yet. But yes, this is my dress and it fits well so far. The only thing left is the ruffle on the bottom. That's here. That's all I have left. So I'm hoping I can do that tomorrow. I'm almost out of thread. The thread matches exact. It's in my machine now, but I'm at the end. So I'm going to leave that for just the hem because it is a muslin. I'm really pleased. I really am very pleased. Also, I'm wearing one of my Frugal frocks, Frugal Challenge shirts. This is probably my favorite t-shirt to wear on days off of work. It is the Deer and Doe Plantain shirt, and I basically took every scrap I had of t-shirt fabric and I sewed it together. And I love this shirt, and I wear it out, and I don't care what people think about it. I love it, love it, love it. It's one of my favorites. Girl. So Penny wanted to say hello. My microphone might get in the way, so if you hear any rustling, sorry about that. Hi, Pen. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Penny's here. Look over there, Pen. Look over there. Look at the people over there. There's people. Go get them. Now she's going to bark. So sorry about that. Did you get them? All right. She's looking out the window. We've had a fox in our neighborhood on our street. So our house, the house next to us, the house across the street from us, everybody's had the fox in their yard. So she has been on high alert. It seems it likes the ditch, and it's been walking the street today especially. So we're kind of watching it, and I'm not actually scared of the fox. I'm actually hoping the fox gets some of the chipmunks, because we've got a chipmunk problem and we have like a vole problem. I'm really hoping that natural selection takes its place. And I saw the fox. Penny and I were walking yesterday and we saw the fox, and it was just as big as Penny, same size. And Penny actually didn't see the fox. I saw the fox, but Penny wanted to investigate where I thought the fox was like sheltering. I also wanted to report that we just had our county fair. Today's our last day of the county fair, and I did get a couple of ribbons, and then some of the littles in my world also entered, and we had an honorable mention, and we also had a second place for photography, and I was so proud of all of them. Both my nieces did enter their own sourdough bread, and even though they both looked excellent and felt good and were beautiful, they did not get ribbons on their breads. I did get a blue ribbon on my white bread. I'm going to put the link to the recipe below. I'm happy to share it because I got it from King Arthur Flour. I've been making it for years and it is delicious. I did get a second place on a dress I made, and I did do a video on this dress before. It wasn't a dress that I think I looked okay in it, but it was very voluminous, and it was a project I did in collaboration with Zelda Sews, and we both did the same dress but different fabrics. I got to tell you, I got second place on that dress, and I had considered for a while, it has been hanging in my closet, and I thought, I'm probably going to hack it into a skirt or something else. I'm going to insert, there should be pictures of our ribbons and what we entered, but I did get a ribbon. I was very proud of it. So even when a project doesn't fit me exactly right, but it's a good sew, it's worth holding on to because it could be a ribbon at the fair. And that is all I have to report for what I've done this last week. This week I'm going to work on my serger, clean it, and rethread it. And I want to finish this dress. I want to finish this dress tomorrow if it's possible, because I do have a speaking engagement this week, and it might be the perfect thing to wear, even if the bulge on the zipper in the back is a little noticeable. I really don't think I'm going to be too concerned about that. I love wearing me-mades, and when I go to real estate events and I'm wearing a me-made, people always ask me, did you make that? Did you make that? Actually, they don't ask me so much if I made it, but they always tell me they love what I'm wearing. And I think that's their way of asking if I made it, because usually I'm very proud to say, well, thanks, I made that. So I would love to get this done in time to wear that. And if I don't, I do have a dress already set out for that I also made. So I'll keep you guys in check with that. The other thing is I am looking for, I have a baby shower to go to in the near future. And I'm wondering if you have any recommendations for anything I can make that's an easy sew that would be appreciative at a baby shower. And in the past, my sister has made like the diaper cakes, and I'm thinking something that I could sew. I've not really made many bags. I've made like small zipper pouches. So I don't think that's going to be a good first project. But if there's something that is a simple sew that is good for expectant mothers, I would be very interested if you could leave in the comments. Even if you have a link to a pattern or a visual, I'll take that too, just to give me some ideas, because I would love to incorporate a me-made, because that particular expectant mother, she is a huge crafter herself. So I think she would be appreciative if I gave her some type of handmade item. So we'll see. So I am looking out, because it's been years since I've gone to a baby shower, and I would love to give her something that would be usable that I also created. So thank you for your help on that, and I hope you have a wonderful week. And I will report when I finish this dress and show you final pictures. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.